With HMD Global taking over the reins, the Nokia brand has once again started to gain traction in the Philippines. And it's not hard to see why, as their Android devices definitely show the signature commitment to quality that made them a hit back in the day. One such example is a device that we'll be unboxing today. Hi there, I'm Gian of Gadget Pilipinas and welcome to our unboxing of the Nokia 7 Plus. The moment you hold it, you'll immediately notice that the Nokia 7 Plus isn't your average mid-range phone. It's got outstanding build quality and the feel makes you think that you're holding more of a flagship device. You get a 6-inch screen with the FHD Plus resolution, which is very common in today's mid-rangers. They also didn't compromise in performance as the phone is equipped with Snapdragon 660 processor along with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The back houses a combination of 12-megapixel primary sensor paired with a 13-megapixel telephoto camera. You also get 2x optical zoom and 4K video recording. Up front is a 16-megapixel shooter, and both front and rear cameras are equipped with Zeiss optics. A unique feature of this phone is Nokia's dual sight technology, which lets you capture photos or videos using both the front and the rear cameras at the same time. They actually also call it Bothy. Anyway, it also features Nokia OZO or OZO technology, which when used with device's 3 microphones can capture spatial audio with outstanding detail. The user can also focus the audio recording in a particular direction. The Nokia 7 Plus runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and is guaranteed to get regular security updates. It packs a 3800 mAh battery with fast charging capability. The phone currently retails for 21,990 pesos. So that's about it guys for our unboxing of the Nokia 7 Plus. Stay tuned to Gadget Pilipinas for our full review of this phone, and this has been Gian. Thank you guys for watching.